So I messed up and I recorded my main camera view and cut my head off. So we're not using it. And we made the decision to just go with a secondary camera, and also I forgot to turn the audio on. So audio is not going to sound great. It's for 5 episodes. We're going to put this intro at every episode. The quality of the message is still good. We had to make the decision to use what we had because we don't have time to re-record. So I apologize for the audio and visual. Just know that after a couple episodes that it'll be back to normal. Appreciate y'all. Enjoy. What's up? Welcome back to the podcast. We appreciate you being here. If you're watching live on YouTube, or not live, if you're watching, yes, I'm a Cowboys fan. We've discussed this before. Please just give me a break. I'm loyal. We love the Cowboys around here, okay? Good or bad. And we get frustrated, okay? So it is what it is. Here we go. Your reputation, protect it. Protect it like it's a baby, a new baby that you're responsible for holding on to and protecting. Protect that reputation, and the pillar that is built on is customer relations. The way that you treat your customers is paramount. And what I mean by that is the overall everything that you do. Now, the cool thing about this is how you market your business and the ways that you treat your customers reflect to potential employees or your employees as well. So it will also be a way for you to market to employees. The way that you market to your customers is the same way you market to your employees. You want to project this image and back it up. Very important. Don't just project it. Back it up of how you treat your customers and how much you're thankful for them and how much that you enjoy working for them and how bad that you want to do a good job for them. Okay, those things echo out into the realms of people that want to work for you as well. And they echo out to other customers. And they echo out from your customers to other customers. There's a couple things that you can do in business, service businesses nowadays that really, really set you apart. And I'm gonna give you the easiest ones because, guys, it's really simple. It's really simple. Number one, write this down. Do what you say you're gonna do, when you say you're gonna do it, and how you say you're gonna do it. If that changes, let them know. Communication. So 1, honor your word. 2 is communication. Part of number 2, extension of that, is answer the phone or call them back within a reasonable amount of time. You have no clue how many bids that we've gotten over the years because other lighting companies won't answer the phone. Answer your phone or call them back. Leave that on your message. Hey, I'm Shane with Local Lights. That's our business here. I really appreciate you calling. I'm so sorry. I'm not able to answer the phone right now. However, I will call you back within 30 minutes if it's a weekday. And then do that. Call them, like you have to follow up. When they hear that voicemail and they leave a message and you call them back in 15 minutes, it's gonna click in a customer's brain that this guy does what he says he's gonna do. And that's important. For the rest of your relationship, that first impression that you just made was really good. You didn't even answer the phone. I didn't even answer the phone there. But we made an impression and we made like a basis of a relationship. The basis of a relationship that you have with your customer is trust. Trust. They have to trust you. And you have to be a trustworthy person. If you're just in this to make thousands and thousands of dollars and you don't care about your customer, don't do it. Don't ruin the industry for everybody else. This is a great industry. This is an awesome industry where we get to go out and essentially spread joy and collect checks. Okay, that's fantastic, right? But where's your motive? Where's your heart? Yeah, it's okay for you to make money. Yeah, it's okay for you to want to make money. But that shouldn't be the basis of why you're doing this. You should have a bigger why that's so much bigger than making $1,000 per job. Hey, we're not sponsored by anyone. We appreciate you being here. So no ads. The only ad is if you're gonna buy lights from us. We'd appreciate it. If you're not going to, that's totally cool too. But it would be like super helpful for us to continue to do this. Your reputation will spread faster than the pictures you put online, than the image that you're in quotations trying to create for yourself, than who you want somebody to think you are. Your reputation and image start from who you are. So you can fool people to a certain degree if you're not in it for the right reasons. If you're not dedicated to your customers, you can. If you're a great marketer, you're gonna go out and get some business. A great install is overshadowed by bad customer service. Let's say you did everything right on this install. It looks perfect, magnifico, chef's kiss. What do? They do, mwah. You can do all those things right. But if you told the customer, hey, I'll come back and turn your lights on because this is an early install, they don't want their lights on. I'm gonna come back and turn these things on for you on November 15th or whatever the date is. And you don't, and they call you on November 16th and they're like, hey man, you're gonna come turn these, I don't know how to turn these lights on, you're gonna come turn them on? And you don't answer, and you don't call them back. All that work out the window. And then comes possibly a bad review. Do you know that the first reviews that people read are the bad ones? So how bad are your bad reviews? We've gotten some bad reviews before. It's gonna happen. There's gonna be either us not doing the job fully to the expectations at the top. You know, you trust your people to do those. Or it could just be a bad customer. Those things happen too. But how bad are your bad reviews? And how many of them do you have? You start getting multiple bad reviews in like a week or two time, you gotta stop. That's the time to rally the troops. We have to fix this right now. This is ruining our image and our reputation, and something is amiss. So our job is to be detective on what's going on. Take ownership in being an owner. So dialing in, do what you say you're gonna do, when you say you're gonna do it, and how you say you're gonna do it from the very beginning. Somebody calls you, let's say you're doing a remote quote. I'll have a remote quote to you, I'll have a quote to you in the next 2 hours. Send it in the next 2 hours. These are very simple. If you cannot, if something comes up, you have to communicate. Hey, I know, this is a text. Hey, I know I said I'd send that quote in the next 2 hours. Something came up, I'll have it to you by 5 o'clock today. If you're meeting in person for a bit, what's your schedule look like? You're gonna figure out when they can meet with you. Hey, I'll be there at 9 a.m. Guess what? Be there at 9 a.m. or be there at 8:58, knocking on their door. Hey, let's go over the bid, go over what you want and all those things. Here's a big one. Some people overpromise and underdeliver. We gotta flip that, underpromise and overdeliver. Whatever you promise on, overdeliver. So whatever that is, one thing that I can think of is how you treat your customers throughout the season and at the end of the season. So we did the job that we said we were gonna do. We executed well, it looks great. The lights come on. When they call us, we were there to fix a light or a bulb within whatever your guarantee is, 24 or 48 hours. And at the end of the season, we take them down when we're supposed to, but in between there, maybe you send them a handwritten note, that's big. Maybe you send them a little customer basket. You drive around to every customer and you put a basket on the front porch. Maybe you mail them something or whatever. Under promise, over deliver. That's it for this one. It's pretty simple. Protect your reputation, protect your image, but those things should be a reflection of who you are inside. Hey, love God, love others, and let your light reflect that. We'll catch you on the next one.